Check mic. Hey, sound. Check. Ayun. Very good. Ayan, magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Alright, good evening everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Supposed to be copy trading Thursday, but wala man na akong updates for copy trading for now. But we're gonna have magpa-podcast tayo. Hopefully sa episode kagabi marami kayong natutunan. Diba? We talked about journaling your trades. Meron tayong mga free journals na pinabigay sa inyo kagabi. Congratulations sa nanalo sa raffle for getting the free journal. Yan. So, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Alright, let me just go to the comments really quick. PSEI, update tayo. Another green day for PSEI. Alright, let me share my screen. I'll make sure I'm sharing my screen properly. Kasi na-adjust kasi ito kahapon. Because we had a guest yesterday. Let me just remove this really quick. Just my face. Adjust lang ako ng konti. Yan. And on our chart, lang yung chart para makita natin lahat, all the important stuff. Ayan. So PSEI today, right, closed 0.26. So nagbo-bounce tayo dalawang araw na. That's good, so far so good. But problema natin mga pre is we are still at net foreign selling. Another net foreign selling day, 591 million. Right? Sunod-sunod. Bentahan yung natin, yung foreign natin. Si 𝑒𝑚 naman, ganda ng akyat kanina, right? Actually, meron akong news the past few days about kay 𝑒𝑚, right? So, it was playing at around this support and marangkada si 𝑒𝑚 kanina. Congratulations sa mga may hawak ng 𝑒𝑚. APL, yun. Ganda ng mga akyat na may mga stocks kanina, diba? But we'll talk about those in a bit, right? If ever gusto niyo mag-charting, post it in the comments. I-chart natin yan. Ngayon, I'm gonna go back to close up. Tingnan ko muna yung mga comments niyo. If you have any questions so far, post it in the comments para madaanan po natin. Right? Palitan natin ng music. Chill muna tayo ng music, right? Ishi Marimat, good evening Sir Lloyd, good evening po. Kyle Pono, good evening Sir Lloyd Bazar. John Lloyd Bazar, thank you so much. Benedict Mangabi, Sir Idol from Kimi Verdida. Nice, good evening Sir Lloyd Cruz. Naging John Lloyd Cruz na tayo ngayon na. Jose Lumba, good evening Sir Lloyd. Mangabi from Janer Dianyo. Deljon Muamay, Mangabi, magandang gabi sa inyo. Gab Margallo, right, good evening. Gruena Villa. Medyo late po ata vid sa sound, sir. Medyo late ang vid sa sound. Let me just check. One moment. Vid sa sound, sir. Medyo late ang vid sa sound. Nga no? Wala nga. I don't know what the problem is. Pero okay lang yan. Basta naintindihan niyo ako. Alright, I'm gonna be checking it out later. What's the problem? Bakit? Okay lang. Anyways, bumagsak po si Nasdaq. Yes, Nasdaq yesterday fell down. Right? Pull back from Nasdaq. Na-pull back ang stocks ko. So, I'm on a negative right now. But that's okay. Okay lang. Si Nasdaq naman kasi nagsa-sideways pa. Right? So, NSDQ 100, NSDQ 100. Nasdaq 100 chart. Today, medyo nag-green naman si Nasdaq. So, yeah. We were expecting the red for Nasdaq. All-time high na. Alright, we've already been on a strong rally. Bumagsak. At ngayon, medyo green naman si Nasdaq. So, that's gonna be very good. So, we're looking at a healthier market tonight. Okay? So far, so good. Wala namang problema. Okay lang yan. Alright? Since sobrang lakas ng rally ni Nasdaq. When Nasdaq rallied, nag-take profits tayo. So, it's not always green. May mga araw tayo na red. So, I'm on the red right now, yung portfolio ko. So, I'm negative $57 po. That's okay. Still holding on to my positions right there. So, yes, Nasdaq, medyo pulahan. Tommy Escobedo, good PM po. Pwede po ba mag-open ng account sa eToro kahit wala ka ng work? Pero may pera pang open ka ng account as OFW before, parang need yata ng monthly salary ng eToro sa application. Hindi. Questionnaire lang yun. You don't have to declare magkano ang monthly income nyo. Right? Hindi kailangan yan. Well, during the questionnaires, just put an estimate magkano ang monthly kinikita mo. That doesn't really matter. Kahit nga zero ilagay nyo dun, walang problema yun. Franz Paulo Quevillas, good evening Sir Lloyd, nakahabol din. Na-miss ko ang daily grind. Franz Paulo Quevillas, welcome back. Kyle, okay na sir. Magandang gabi, Eddie and Erlene Bernaldez, Eddie Yed, right. Kelvin Charles, okay naman sound. Good evening sir from Tammy. Grace, Erlene, Espleta, Bernaldez, 𝐴𝑈𝑆 tsaka Sinao. Bisitahin na natin yung mga local stocks, diba? 𝐴𝑈𝑆. Let me just pilitan ko lang to. 𝐴𝑈𝑆. There we go. Pullback for 𝐴𝑈𝑆. Malapit na tayo sa support. Look at this resistance right here. Nag-breakout. That's the best entry point right there. So sayang, hindi natin to na technical analysis kahapon. Pero dapat nakuha nyo na to. But man, pullback. Next bounce nito. If it bounces and confirms the support, then definitely that's gonna be a buy for you guys. Or baka bukas nga mag-green na to. So that's gonna be a buy. Good find. This is from Erlene Bernaldez. So, breakout strategy, aggressively, kung napasok nyo yun dyan, then good. Sa mga hindi pa nakapasok, then we are given a break. Nag-pullback siya na malakas. So, hopefully mag-bounce. The bounce is gonna be your best entry. Ang ganda ng volume during the breakout. So, I think this breakout is gonna be sustaining and pwede nyo pasukin yan bukas pag nag-bounce yan. Si Now naman, right, si Now, massive pullback for now. Pero mukhang magbabounce na to meron na siyang ginawang support the past few days. So if you wanna trade this, yeah, the next green will be good for now. Joseph Gildore, JFC po, JFC. Good evening Sir Lloyd, maganda ba pumasok sa IPO ng coin sa eToro? Thank you. Yes, I would say yes. Pero kung papasok kayo sa mga IPOs, you have to look at it for long term. Pasukin yung IPO, if it goes down, then buy more because you're gonna go for long term, right? If ever maipit man kayo sa simula, right? But yeah, coins, if you're a believer of crypto, then definitely that's a very good option right there for you to get into. JFC, si JFC pre gumagawa ng pattern, okay? Somehow it's creating a pattern right here. So, next breakout from that pattern is going to be a very good entry. Or, overall, napakaganda na support ni, JFC. Dito kayo mag-abang if ever mag-fail man yan bukas. Okay? Abangan nyo dito sa support niya. Right. Richard Aguilera, nasagot na natin to. Erlene Bernaldez, thanks, you're welcome. Michael Eugenio, good evening. Janer Dianyo, sir, ang foreign selling cost ba ng COVID cases ang problema sa Pinas? Or is it because nag-transfer sila with crypto kasi grabe ang That's a very good actually, maraming maraming factors, right? Locally, the news for local government is not really that well. Right? Medyo mabagal ang vaccination, the COVID cases are still rising, so uncertainties, really, medyo natatakot ang mga investors when it comes to uncertainty. So, that's one factor. Number two, yes, crypto is on a bull run right now. So, always follow the money, diba? Follow the money. So, where are you gonna be putting your funds? Dun sa bullish, it's gonna be a wiser. So, mas attractive ngayon. Ganito kasi yan, guys. Maraming markets sa buong mundo, diba? PSEI is one, Nasdaq 100 is one. Basically, merong organization na nagmamanage yan. And pagandahan na mukha yan, even crypto, right? So, crypto is more attractive right now, so it's attracting investors, so ang pera pumapasok doon, right? So, that's what's happening. PSEI is not that attractive for investors right now, so wala pang anong pumapasok, di ba? mRNA po. This is from Rowena Villa. mRNA. Let's check it out. mRNA. Moderna. Oh! Congratulations. Pumasok kay Moderna. Pero lakas na ng akyat ni no Moderna. Let's open it again. Wait for the pullback kay Moderna. Okay? Antayin yung pullback nito, guys. Actually, na-breakout siya eh. Ang ganda. Yeah. I would say yes. Buy this breakout, right? Resistance, major resistance right there. Buy this breakout, man. Maganda to. This is from Rowena. This can be, there's a possible breakout strategy right here. I think it will sustain. There's good volume in it and there's good momentum. Pwede nyo pasukin to. Or, another possibility kasi niyan is it's gonna be pullback. After you buy some, it's gonna do a pullback and bounce again. But you also always have the option to buy more sa pullback niya. If ever natatakot kayo sa breakout na entry. Nakatakot ang breakout entry kasi all-time high niya, napakalapit na. So, but it is what it is. It is a breakout. It is a breakout entry right now. So you can buy some. If it pulls back and bounces, then you can buy more for Moderna. Okay, Miguel 𝑚&𝑣𝑠. Hello po, shout out po. Hello, Miguel. Shout out to you, man. Kimi Verdida, sir. Hi, sir. 𝐴𝑇ORRO lang po ba na broker ang ginagamit nyo? Hindi po. For international market, I'm using 𝐴𝑇ORRO as a broker. Pero meron tayong FX CM and then meron tayong Binance, right? But I'm using 𝐴𝑇ORRO mainly. Bakit? Because nagpapakopy ako sa trades ko. And actually, I really want my trading journey to be shared with you guys. So that's why I'm using 𝐴𝑇ORRO kasi public siya. Naka-public yung profile ko. Pwede niyo pong tingnan ang mga trades ko should you want to. So yeah. But basically, I'm letting people copy me. Kaya, 𝐴𝑇ORRO ang fino-focus ko. Janilo, good morning po, sir. Good morning po. Pa-chart po si oil, boss. Masayin natin nga yung oil. Okay, oil. Kaka-breakout lang ni oil, Right? Problema ko kay oil, all-time high levels na naman eh. Kaka-breakout lang ni oil. This would have been a good entry on this breakout right here. Nakalipad na si oil, so if the risk is still tolerable for you, why not? Pero looking bullish naman, especially right now, oil. Ang ganda ng market ngayon kasi pabalik na yung pabalik na yung consumption ng oil, diba? Umabot sa point noon during the pandemic, naalala nyo, si oil at this level, umabot nga ng 0 yon halos, na mas mahal pa yung barrel kaysa laman. Ganda nun. Dapat pinasok nyo noon 10. Even 20, nag-triple na sana nyo. But right now, it's still bullish, man. Overall, it's still bullish. So yeah, you can look for entries for oil. Nagpo-pullback siya ngayon. So I think it will be nice to wait for the pullback and bounce lang muna talaga. Janilo, Don, sharing po, sir. Thank you so much. O nga pala, pakishare po yung video nito. Thank you so much, Janilo. Please share this video to your trading groups. If you have any trading groups out there, share this to your friends para po malaman nila there's a program like this that can guide them in their stock market journey, especially sa mga beginners dyan. BSC, sir. Let's check out BSC. Alright. BSC. Alright, guys. Purely technical analysis, I don't want to tackle about fundamentals anymore for BSC. BSC is good fundamentals. Yun nga lang, medyo mahal na si BSC. So, we're just gonna be talking about fundamentals right now. There's a uptrend line right here. Problema ko kay BSC nung pumula siya kaagad ngayon. So, basically, it's a lower low. Pennant. Break out from that. Let it break out from that pennant and then that's gonna be a good entry for you at the very least. Kung gusto niyo pasukin si BSC. Maricel Kwon, Sir Lloyd, pansin ko lang po, lagi kang naka-gray shirt, parang si FB owner lang. Noon pa to, alright, Hindi ako mahilig sa t-shirts na may prints. And I like dark colors. So, meron ako mga blue. Pinakamarami ko ang gray. So, yan. Parang walang palitan no? Yeah. I usually wear my gray shirts. Right? Sir Lloyd, Seb, please. Let's check out Seb. Para walang sakit sa ulo Minsan sakit sa ulo, ano pa yung susutin mo, etc. So, isang kulay nila, isang labahan lang. Yan. So, Seb, looking well. Very volatile at this point. Nag-pull back kanina at nag-bounce din kaagad and andyan na po siya sa level na yan. So, this was the bounce of Seb already. Hopefully, balikan tayo dyan sa bounce area na yan. And then, pag nag-bounce ulit dyan, pasukin nyo po. Right? Kasi naka-bounce na kanina si Seb. Alright? That's for Seb. Ang pinaka-magandang entry sana nito, breakout. Diba? We had lessons about breakouts. Hopefully, nakuha nyo ito. If hindi, medyo nakalipad na siya. So, medyo hirap na tayong habulin yan sa Seb na yan. Pa-check po na international market. This is from Ishi, Marimat, NEP, and Palantir. Oh. Resistance right here for NEP. Abangan nyo po. Short-term resistance is right here. Pero may major resistances at this level. So, medyo shaky siya. Wait for it to do a breakout. Breakout strategy for this. Definitely, it is forming a bullish pattern right now. So, NEP, this is a good find. Next, 𝑡ERRA Energy. So, just make sure you know about the fundamentals of the company. Alright? Palantir. Yan. Palantir tayo. Yun. Nabay ko na ba yung Palantir ko? Or si Ship yung inano ko? Hindi. Si Ship pala yung kinuha ko. At saka si Naked. Palantir! Pull back si Palantir, Trendliners right here. Next bounce is gonna be looking good for Palantir. Okay? So, let it bounce si Palantir. And that's gonna be your entry point. Next naman kay Palantir, Janilo is asking for C. Oy, nagrally na maganda si C the past few days, di ba? Yun. Nagpo-pull back. Okay. Abangan nyo to. Sulat nyo na to, guys. Right. Ilista nyo na. Sabi nga ng iba, diba? Alistan nyo na to. Pag nag-bounce yan, that's definitely a buy for me. Look at the RSI. Momentum is on the buy side. So, yeah. C is looking well. Good evening. Sabi ni Joseph Katigbak. Alright. Nakakatakot yung apelido mo, pre. Dito sa Cebu kasi ang Tigbak is patayan Katigbak. Alright, Joseph Katigbak, good evening. Gab Margalio, PLC po. Thank you, sir. Let's check out PLC for Gab. PLC. Ooh, look at this MA20 bounce. Right? Dapat kinuha nyo to sa MA20 bounce. Ay, ilang beses ko na kayo tinuruan. Breakout pa yan. Tapos nag-pullback pa. So, bounce sa support. Support pa yan. My golly. Dapat pinasok nyo na to si PLC noon pa. Ngayon, nakalipad na siya. Wait for the pullback na lang tayo and then wait for the next bounce before you want to enter PLC. Okay, Janilo, possible breakout na po pala, sir, si Caesar. Ganda na earnings niya, kaya 3% siya sa pre-market. Yeah, I think possible breakout din si C. Listen nyo na to. Pag nag-bounce yan, pasukin nyo na to. Alright, good find, Janilo. Man, that's the kind of trading, di ba? Yan, nag-aabang sa baba. There's a massive support right here. That's my kind of trading. Good job. Excuse me. Alright, Guitar God Gemel. Alright. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. I'm donating to your Patreon so I could help also obtain access to your lessons. Alright, nga pala. Speaking of Patreon, right, if you wanna help me out, we're preparing, nagpe-prepare po yung tinutulungan ko mga kabataan for a very big upcoming tournament. And I'm letting them stay in our place para matraining namin sila. So if you wanna donate to my cause, yan po, go to patreon.com. 𝐴𝑈𝑆, if ever magbibigay kayo ng substantial amount, I'm gonna be giving something back to you. Yung trading masterclass with Lloyd Bazaar. Basically, yung recording po yan ng seminar ko, ng webinar ko. So you can get access to that seminar. I taught everyone how I do my trades from the very beginning to the technical analysis, to my execution, how much I buy, where do I buy, how do I buy, even my sell, how do you sell, how to get back, how to recover, etc. Lahat po andyan po. Check out www.patreon.com/𝐿Bazaar. Right? Pangako ko po sa inyo, wala pong mapupunta sa akin dyan. Papunta po yan sa mga causes, sa mga kabataan na tinutulungan natin ngayon. Anyways, moving forward, share my screen. Like they say, C. Right, Maricel Kwon. Sir, APL po. We covered APL already. Did we? Apollo? Yeah. Antayin niyo yung pullback. Ang ganda ng bounce kanina. Oh, guys, MA20. Right, I've been teaching you about MA20. Moving average 20. One of my favorite MAs. After touching the upper bands, nag-pullback, nag-bounce. Hopefully, pinasok nyo na. Okay? Pwedeng breakout dito, but I think this is gonna be pulling back muna. Pullback ito. I think it's gonna go bounce at around this area. That's gonna be your entry point. So, medyo challenging na yan pagpasok nyo bukas. So, hopefully makapasok kayo. Jong, good evening, Lods. Good evening, Fernandez Benz. Good evening, Sir Stockstead and Sir Lloyd. Benz, kamusta yung vlogging mo? Napanood ko yung vlog mo about nangunguriente ka na ngayon. Electrifying personality. Pilar Kapuli, Neo, sir. Alright, let's check out Neo. Neo nyo? Pagod na? Nag-pull back rin kaagad. Alright, support for Neo is right here. Let's see saan natin pupulutin si Neo. Alright, next bounce would definitely be a go for Neo. Arnel Boris go, oo nga. Not sure what the oo nga is for. Pure gold, sir. P-gold. Chelly Lampas. Alright. P-gold. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Hindi ko pa alam saan pupulutin si Pure Gold, man. Sobrang lakas sa pullback niya. Anytime soon, this should bounce, right? If ever we get a good bounce from this guy, I would say that's gonna be a good entry. Ay, hirap pa ngayon eh. Right? Abangan na lang natin. Let's see in the future. Hindi ko masasabi saan magbabounce yan eh. Napaka-challenging eh. Reversal kaagad eh, no? After strong rally, tapos kaagad. That's the PSEI for you. Alright, Jepoy Gagarin. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. God bless you po. Thank you so much. God bless you then. Chelly Lampas, MM. Let's check out Mary Mart. Right, I'm just gonna be erasing some stuff right here. Oops, sorry. Yung Bollinger Bands ko natanggal. Let me just load my chart layout once again. MM. Alright, si MM, we're standing at the previous resistance. Any bounce, pag nag-bounce to bukas, that's gonna be a buy. Hopefully, makasama ang market. But yeah, if this bounces, that's gonna be your buy. That's gonna be confirming the support right here for MM. Okay, AMD, sir, from Piolo Cortez. AMD, international market tayo. Okay, AMD. Ganda ng position ni AMD. Nag-bounce na to dapat eh. Tapos bumula ulit eh. Abangan natin sa support guys, si AMD. Siguro bibili ako ng AMD pag nag-bounce to sa support. Abangan ko to. Right. AMD is one of my watch list. That's for AMD. CZR from Rowena Villa. CZR. Very good rally for CZR. Ang ayaw ko, napakalapit na natin sa resistance, guys. Right? It's gonna be very challenging at this point. I don't want to recommend that. If ever balikan natin na support, that would be a good buy. But right now, ang pangit na position. WMT naman, this is from Daryl Salas. WMT, si Walmart, WMT. Dami natin viewers for just a charting session. Alright, thank you so much for watching. The Walmart naman, We have a good trend line for Walmart right here. I think we're at the trend line right now. Very good to check it out. I'd say that's a buy, right? I would say that's a buy. Susunod natin resistance is this level. So medyo maganda pa naman upside natin. So good find for Walmart. Kaka-pullback niya lang. Pero may weakness eh. Pero yeah. Let's check out the trend line. If ever mali, then stop your losses na. Picor Sir Lloyd. This is from Jovin Rabanes. Picor. Petron. Oh, very good. Picor bounce from the pullback. Alright, so yeah, I would say yes. Test it out. Right? Pwede nyo pong testingan si Picor. This is the support right now. Good find for Picor. Okay? APL po, sir. Tapos na tayo kay APL. At NI din po, si Nihao. Whoop-de-doo. Subukan nyo support mga pre. Right? It's already very good. I would say you can do test buys here already. Nagsa-sideways na ito. First downtrend, nag-downtrend naman, but the support is very strong right now. Pag nag-breakout to bukas, pag nag-green na naman yan, subukan nyo. Right? I would say yes. Testingin nyo. Pero strict cut loss to. Nakalipad na kasi ito before eh. Very expensive right now si Nihao. So, konting ingat lang. Bukas, baka magkaroon ng magandang rally sa mga sa mga mining. APL po, tapos na tayo. Good evening, John Lloyd from Lenecro. Thank you so much. Jimmy Verdida, madami palang useful vids dito, sir. Gonna watch it later. Right, every day po, as much as possible, mga videos natin are gonna be very good for you. If you wanna look for the videos na past natin, if ever kakapanood nyo pa lang po ng The Daily Grind, andyan po sa video description, pinakahuling part sa video description, it's gonna be our database for all the videos that we did for The Daily Grind. Para mapuntahan nyo ang mga past videos natin. Tingnan nyo po yung lista na yan. Benedict, mining sector po lahat nagliparan. Yes, because of yung news na because yung news na tatanggalin, uulitin, babaguhin ni President Duterte yung mining something natin. Read about that, but I will want to read about it more. So, but yeah, that's definitely good for mining sector. Philippines right now needs every ounce of resources that we have. Sobrang hirap ng country natin ngayon because of the pandemic. Sobrang pabigat. So yeah, mining sectors, if ever we can take advantage of our mining sector to inject more money into the economy, why not, diba? Tesla, sir, right? Tesla, mayroon to long term for Tesla, but yeah, Tesla Incorporated, right? Pullback for Tesla, that's good. Next bounce for Tesla po. Next bounce for Tesla is gonna be your next entry point. I'm also holding on to my Tesla. I have around $500. That's $500 invested in Tesla sa sa trading port ko. Robert, saan yun? Robert Dungo. Ali, sir. Kamustahin nga natin si Ali? Tagal ko na hindi napapansin si Ali. Oh! Okay. That's a buy, man. Divergence, guys. Divergence for Ali. Kamusta ba yung earnings ni Ali? Annual 2020 earnings, negative 70%. That's to be expected because last year is pandemic year. But technical analysis-wise, mukhang maganda naman yung pinapakita niya. I would test this out. I would test this support out. Yung nga lang, Philippine Stock Exchange, guys, net foreign selling pa rin. Ang bagal na market. So, konting ingat ha. Pero yeah, buy some right here. If ever it goes further down, you can reach the levels of very cheap for Ayala Land Incorporated. This is a good company to buy cheap, right? Sure, pins po. Pinterest. Nagre-resistance si Pinterest eh. Wait for the breakout. I would say breakout na lang. Pero guys, all-time highs yung yung tinitignan nyo na presyo kay Pinterest. So, konting ingat po dyan. I don't like playing on all-time highs, but breakout will be a very good entry point for it. Or if ever, mag-emit 20 yan siya, I would say yes. Maricel Kwon. Sir? No, sir. Si Apple po. Okay. Bio Nano and XRP, please. BNGO. Alright. Bio Nano. Mukhang duma-downtrend si Bio Nano, mga pre. May hawak akong Bio Nano, Already sold some of it. Pero, support areas are right here. Tingnan natin anong gagawin ni Bio Nano next coming days. XRP naman, just buy the pullbacks if you really want to get in. Right? Sa mga crypto. XRP USD. Right. If you wanna get into these stocks, ang taas na Ang taas na ni XRP. Sobrang taas ni XRP. I don't wanna recommend that anymore. These are unhealthy moves right here. Okay? Kung noon sana, nung nag-breakout, pullbacks, another breakout right here. But right now, it's doing a pullback. So at the very least, bibigyan ka ng opportunity dyan. But guys, you're trading at the up levels. Huwag nyo na pupasukin. Huwag na kayo maingit dyan, please. Daming stocks na nasa baba pa. Daming assets na nasa baba pa. Yun yung tingnan ninyo. Right? LRW from Erlene Bernaldez. LRW. Ang ayaw ko kay LRW, nakalipad na to, guys. Medyo may kamahalan na siya. Right? So, that's my 2 cents about LRW. Medyo nag-breakout naman siya dito. Pero, if you really want to test this out, there's a support right here. Try that out. But, not my kind of trading. Ang daming merong stocks na nasa baba. Doon kayo maghanap. Jimmy 7, sir. Thank you po. Medyo, pa si GMA dahil sa dividends Ang ganda na kasi ng dividends niya. Babagsak pa to, guys. Antayin nyo lang bumagsak muna. Bago kayo pumasok sa GMA 7. Mara po, sir. This is from Jet Michael. Lumipad si GMA 7 nung nag-discuss siya about magkano ibibigay niya. Bearish signal. I think tapos na itong climb na ito for Mara. So, get away from that. M-wide OGC, Sir Lodi. Thanks. This is from Tahan PJ. M-wide. May maganda project sa M-wide ayun And there it is. Congratulations. M-wide, isa yan sa mga nirecommend ko na stocks. At around this level, bodigahin nyo na. It's starting to go up already. Nag-breakout na naman si M-wide kanina. Right? But I would recommend mas maganda if ever pullbacks and bounces for M-wide. Okay. Noon ko pa yan nirecommend si M-wide. And it's starting the rally already. So, congratulations sa may mga M-wide. Pwedeng breakout strategy. But overall, napakamura pa ni M-wide So, yeah. Mas maganda ang pullbacks and bounces for M-wide. Okay? Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay M-wide. PHA, sir. Ito, isa pa tong stock na ito na nakalipad na. PHA. Okay, pwede. Right. Creating a support right here. 2 araw, 3 araw na nag-hold yung support na yan. Actually, meron pa It's been holding for how many days already? So, hopefully, the bullish gods go with you. And that support right there will be good. At the very least, kaka-breakout lang po niya ni PHA. So, yeah, that's a buy right there. Pero, stick yung stop loss nyo dyan Again, nakalipad na yan. Medyo may kamahalan din si PHA. Ayun. Yung gray shirt mo, Sir Lloyd. I think yun pala. Fox Verdi, hi Sir Lloyd. Yung donation ba sa Patreon mo is every month or one time lang? One time lang. Right? May option dyan na ilang months ang kukunin nyo. Just one time lang. One time, okay na yun. Right? Pero kung gusto nyo mag-monthly, why not? Pero one time lang. If you want to support me, guys, yeah, please do. Go to patreon.com/lbazaar. Right? Thank you so much. For Fox for the Apple AAPL po. AAPL. Right. AAPL, I'm still holding on to my AAPL. Majority of my portfolio right now is into AAPL. Nagpo-pullback siya. That's okay. Let it pull back, and then the next bounce would be a very good entry for AAPL. Okay? Nagrarally na naman siya, so it's already bullish at this point. So around that level, ang magandang pasok kay AAPL. Sir, pwede po pakisuhi sa ATN and AEV. ATN naman. Oh! This is looking good, ha? Right? ATN's looking well. RSI starting to stabilize, even looking upwards already. I would say it's a buy, right? It's a buy for me at this point sa ATN. Good find. Good find. Mas gusto ko ang mga ganito ng trades ninyo, guys. Alright. This is for ATN, and the AEV naman, Aboitiz Equity Ventures. Wow. Right? Look at the RSI. Beautiful. Right? They're starting to rally up right there. Support is gonna be your good entry right there if ever. Or kung mag-breakout yan, that's gonna be another entry. So, just choose. I would say, mas maganda ang breakout at this point. Anyways, pakalapit lang naman ng support and resistance. So, pag nag-breakout yan, that's confirmation na bullish na naman ng mga tao. That's where you enter. AEV, good find. Tommy Escobedo, galing na mga finds mo, pre. Chelly Lampas, thank you, sir. You're welcome. Janeline Castillo, Sir Meg po at BKR. Thank you, Meg po and BKR. Meg. Oh, Mega World. Lakas na sell-off ng Mega. 3 araw lang kinain niyo yung ilang araw niyang akyat. There's support right here for Meg. Alright, not really sure what caused this. The sell-off, ang laki ng volume ng sell-off. Pero, if ever it bounces, that will be a confirmation of support. You can test it out. Right? Maganda naman yung RSI niya. Kahit 3 araw siya nag-sell-off. Good find pa rin. Janeline Castillo. Right? And then, meron naman po si BKR. BKR's best entries right here. Hopefully, papasukin kayo dyan. Yeah, marapit naman siya sa support. Hopefully, you can get in near support. Medyo nakalipad na po yan. So, medyo challenging. But yeah, support is gonna be your entry. Strict cut loss dyan. Aldos, good evening, sir. Ano pong magandang top 3 dividend stocks sa SP 500 for long term? S&P 500 for long term. Thanks, sir. This is a very good question. This is from Aldos. I will get back to you on this. Tomorrow is gonna be Fundamental Fridays. Siguro bukas. Let's talk about this tomorrow. Right? Abangan niyo po bukas. Let's talk about dividends sa international market bukas. Diba? Why not? Ganda ng question na yan. Right? Ramnel Rufino, we covered PHA already. APL, sir. Thank you from Kathleen Magdugo. Hello, Kathleen. Tala nga. So, unahin natin yung PHA. Daanan ko lang yung PHA, ha. So, yeah, by the support of PHA, gumagawa naman siya ng support right there. For Kathleen naman, APL. We covered APL already, right? Wait for the pullback and bounce. Next pullback na lang and bounce ni APL. Ganda ng MA20 bounce, oh. Diba? So, sana, pinasok nyo sa MA20 noon. Rick Beredo, sir, pwedeng gold? Thank you. Yeah, pwede natin tingnan si gold. Kamustahin natin sa gold nga. Oh, bullish na si gold, ah. Downtrend was broken right here. We have double bottom already. It's starting to rally already. Pullbacks and bounce. Boom. I would say I would buy this. I would test this out. Starting to look upwards na si gold. Okay? MBT. Richard H&M. MBT. Metro Bank. Time check. It's 8:42. Hanggang 8:50 lang po tayo ngayon. MBT collapsing from the previous support, ha? Pero hindi naman gaanong kalakas. Pero downtrend pa. I would stay away from this muna. Maria Aurelio Francisco. Sir AB po. Atok Big Wedge. It's already playing inside the Bollinger Band. So, yung last po ng mga rally niya, hindi nagaanong momentum. These are momentums. Nagpatuloy pa akyat niya, but this is no longer in the momentum. So, I think magpapahinga na to ulit si atong big wedge. So, let it rest for the meantime. Rona Remorosa, thoughts about APL? We covered APL already. Kath Chris Santos, si Kan. Kan? Question mark. Canaan Incorporated, is this the stock? Alright, I'm not really sure about the fundamentals of the company, pero good rally noon. So that's something good. It's on a downtrend right now. Possible support at this area. May magandang volume on the buys. I would say if it breaks out from that one, we can look into getting into position already for Canaan. Good find. Riza Escultura. Kaan naman. This one, I don't know also. Nope. 𝐹𝑆𝐿. 𝐹𝑐EL. From Ian Bonite. 𝐹𝑆𝐿. Ay, good evening sa mga lahat na nanonood. I know charting session tayo ngayon. Find it weird kasi there are 155 people watching right now, and kahit na nagcha-charting session lang tayo. So happy that there are so many people right now interested in the stock market. 𝐹𝑆𝐿 naman, medyo downtrend pa. Bumababa pa yung supports niya, right? So, I want more data for 𝐹𝑆𝐿. Pero mukhang it's starting to stabilize already. Around this area, pero nag-downtrend siya bigla. Anytime soon, baka mag-stabilize na to. Watch list nyo na to si 𝐹𝑆𝐿. Hi Sir Lloyd, yung donation ba sa Patreon mo is every month or one time lang? One time lang po. This is for ℎ𝑒𝑟𝑑. One time lang po yan. May option dyan kung ilan ang gusto nyong kunin na months. Pero yung last one, just get 1 month. That's already okay. Nancy Bisa Catilo. Hi sir, good evening. Pa-check po si TSM. Thanks. Let's check out TSM. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. Sir, may asa ko, okay lang po ba basahin yung time frame sa chart ng Binance, yung 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hours from Joseph Katigbak? Okay lang naman. If you wanna day trade that, why not? Walang problema. If those are day trading na mga time frames. So if you're day trading it, yes. TSM. Okay. Starting to look like this. Actually, pag nag-bounce on, mag-breakout, that's gonna be your entry. Anong tawag nga ulit sa pattern na ito? Pennant, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Anong pangalan sa pattern na ito? I think this is a pennant pattern. Pag nag-breakout yan, that's gonna be your entry. Alright. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pwede ba i-copy pero $500 muna? Yes, definitely. That's a good start. PHA, we covered PHA already. Medyo mataas na yan. Run. Sabi ni RJ Pedrosa. Sunrun Incorporated. Oh, good support for Sunrun. Mukhang maganda ang support ni Sunrun ha. Tingnan natin if ever mag-confirm yan. It's going sideways right now, right? Buy the support, sell at resistance. If ever mag-breakout, then good. Any news about AR? Wala akong news kay AR eh. Hindi akong gano'ng nag-ano sa news ngayon. Okay? Volatile masyado. Her next bounce kay AR, kung gusto nyo tignan yan, okay naman. Kakasimula pa lang ng rally niya. Right. Catherine Santos, we covered Canaan already. UNFI, sir, from Jabo. There Ooh, this is good. Problema ko kay UNFI, mga pre, we're playing at all-time high levels. Don't like that kind of trading. So, but if you want to get in, there's a small rally right now. Pag nag-bounce yan, that's gonna be a good entry for you. Pero sharp, strict cut loss yan ha. Nasa taas yan. Prim. Hello, sir. How about crude oil at natural gas in commodities? Oil is medyo mataas na yung presyo ni oil. Pero tignan natin. Prim muna. Did we cover prim already? Okay. Ito pag nag-breakout si prim, that's good. Strict stop loss, okay? Strict stop loss since dyan na yung resistance natin and nakalipad na po yan for prim. Genial Melomida, we covered oil or earlier. Si oil, I wanted to do a pullback muna and then bounce before you wanna enter oil. But that's for position entries, okay? If you're looking to day trade it, make sure you know how to day trade. That's for oil and then not gas. Oh, okay. Nagpo-pullback sa lat gas ngayon going sideways. Let's see if ever where we can find a bounce of nat gas. Antayin natin saan ang bounce in nat gas. That's gonna be your entry point. Si this is from si PJ, that's already a buy right there. TME. Right. Last two lang muna. Davin, sir. Right. From Gabriel Remolacio. Pasensya na, hindi ko na nga nadaanan yung mga tao sa YouTube. Good evening sa inyo dyan, mga nasa YouTube. Ulysses, hi sir, good evening po. Just I'm not sure if BAC was done. Right, let's check out BAC. Okay, tingnan ko lang to sa YouTube na lang YouTube, yung mga nanonood sa YouTube ngayon ko lang madadaanan. BAC, Bank of America. May resistance like for BAC. Okay, I don't like the position anymore. Sobrang taas na. We're already playing inside the Bollinger Bands. I think magre-reversal na to anytime soon. Okay, pero kung mag-rally man yan at mag-breakout, that's gonna be your entry point for Bank of America. Ralph Joseph Remolona. Sir, ang bilis talaga ng oras. Thanks for the daily trading knowledge. You're welcome po. Naro, good evening sir. DMC and Tech please. Last lang ito. Hindi ko makaka-cover lahat. Meron pa akong live ng 9 o'clock. I need to prepare for that pa kasi. DMC, I Holdings. Nag-gap down na after the dividends. This is challenging, right? Somehow, it's holding for how many days? If you want to go in aggressively after the gap down, this is gonna be your buy area. Itong support nito, 5.20. That's gonna be your best entry. That's for DMC. Last lang po natin is going to be, sir, any thoughts on APL? May disclosure sila today. Yeah. Pasensya na, hindi ko na maka-cover lahat. Tech. Last. Okay. Ganda sana nung bounce ni MA20 ni Tech. Pero overall, nasa support naman siya. Hopefully, itong pula na ito, if magpatuloy man, get it at the support. Okay? Get the support right there. Okay. Yeah. That's gonna be it for me this evening. Pasensya na po if hindi po natin makover lahat. Don't worry po. Bukas, let's talk about the topic kanina about dividend stocks sa SP 500 for long term. Yeah, I can do a research for that for you guys. And then, we're gonna continue charting bukas. Magsa-charting tayo bukas. Definitely. Okay, so, we'll see you again tomorrow. StockSed po. Always sa mga newbies na nanonood ngayon. Marami tayong viewers ngayon. So, please, newbies, go to stocksed.com. Let me share my screen. Punta po kayo yung stocksed.com. We have free courses for you here. These courses are gonna be very good base for you to start your knowledge when it comes to markets, economy. Napakaganda po ng free course natin. Click on start your free course. Look at the ratings right there. So, lahat mga kumuha ng free course natin. They learned a lot. And then if you wanna up your knowledge, meron po kaming mga premium courses dyan. You can take that so that kung gusto nyo mag-up na yung level niyo. Use this code right here, LBazaar, para makakuha kayo ng discount if you plan to get our premium courses, right? And patreon.com po if you wanna help me, support me in my endeavors. Check out Patreon. Pag naglagay kayo dyan, it's gonna be greatly appreciated. Hindi po mapupunta sa akin yan, but it will go to our community. That's gonna be it for me this evening. I'll see you once again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.
Oh.